a guide to potentially dangerous spices and cooking ingredients. Exploring the culinary landscape offers a feast of flavors, yet it's vital to be aware of the hidden risks in our kitchens. Our guide delves into the everyday spices and ingredients that could pose threats if misused. From the heat of hot peppers to the toxins in raw beans, we aim to arm you with knowledge on safe cooking practices and safer alternatives. Understanding the balance between flavor and safety, recognizing the potential for natural toxins, allergic reactions, and health contraindications is crucial. Let's navigate these culinary waters together, ensuring our cooking adventures are as safe as they are flavorful. Making informed choices the cornerstone of every dish. Commonly used spices with potential risks. The spice rack in a kitchen is akin to a treasure chest, filled with flavors that can transport a dish from the mundane to the sublime. However, among these treasures lie spices that, when misused, can pose potential risks to health. Capsaicin in hot peppers. The fiery kick of hot peppers is thanks to capsaicin, which, in moderate amounts, can add zest to dishes. In excessive quantities, however, capsaicin can cause digestive distress, skin irritation, and in extreme cases, respiratory problems. Handling hot peppers with care, using gloves, and moderating their use in cooking are essential safety tips. Nutmeg. This sweet spice, beloved in baked goods and warm beverages, harbors a secret. Consumed in large amounts, nutmeg can produce psychoactive effects, including hallucinations and discomfort. It's a potent reminder that moderation is key. Cinnamon. Cinnamon, the warm and comforting spice, contains coumarin, which in large doses can lead to liver damage. This is particularly of concern with cassia cinnamon, which has higher levels of coumarin compared to Ceylon cinnamon. Saffron. Known as red gold, saffron must be used sparingly. In high doses, it can be toxic, leading to symptoms like nausea and dizziness. This spice's high cost typically prevents overuse, but awareness of its potential toxicity is important. Understanding these risks and respecting the potency of these spices can ensure they contribute to healthful and enjoyable cooking experiences. Cooking ingredients with health risks. While spices add depth and flavor to our meals, certain cooking ingredients, if not handled properly, pose significant health risks. This section highlights some common yet potentially hazardous ingredients. Raw beans. Beans are a staple in diets worldwide, offering a wealth of protein and nutrients. However, raw or improperly cooked beans contain lectins, a type of protein that can cause severe gastrointestinal distress. Cooking beans thoroughly neutralizes these toxins, making them safe to eat. Rhubarb leaves. Rhubarb stalks contribute a tart flavor to pies and jams, but their leaves are a different story. They contain oxalic acid, which is toxic and can lead to kidney stones and other health issues if ingested. Always discard the leaves before cooking. Potatoes. Potatoes that have turned green or begun to sprout contain solanine, a natural toxin that can cause nausea, headaches, and in severe cases, neurological problems. To avoid solanine poisoning, store potatoes in a dark, cool place and remove any green parts before cooking. Unpasteurized dairy products. Raw milk and dairy products may harbor harmful bacteria like Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria. These pathogens can cause foodborne illnesses, particularly in pregnant women, infants, the elderly, and those with weakened immune systems. Opting for pasteurized dairy products is a safer choice to reduce the risk of infection. Awareness and proper preparation of these ingredients can significantly mitigate their potential risks, ensuring meals are not only delicious, but also safe for consumption. Special considerations for specific populations. When incorporating spices and cooking ingredients into meals, It's crucial to consider the dietary needs and health vulnerabilities of specific groups. Pregnant women, children, and individuals with allergies or pre-existing health conditions may need to exercise extra caution. Pregnant women. Certain spices and foods, like excessive amounts of nutmeg or unpasteurized dairy products, can pose risks during pregnancy, potentially leading to complications. It's essential for expectant mothers to consult healthcare providers about dietary restrictions to ensure both their well-being and that of their unborn child. Children. Young children have developing immune systems and may react more sensitively to certain ingredients. Spices like hot peppers should be introduced cautiously, and foods known to pose choking hazards or those that may contain harmful toxins, e.g., certain raw beans, should be avoided or prepared safely. Individuals with allergies or pre-existing health conditions. For those with food allergies, even a small amount of the allergen can cause severe reactions. Moreover, ingredients like cinnamon or certain raw beans may exacerbate conditions like liver disease or gastrointestinal disorders. Knowledge of one's health status and consulting with healthcare professionals can guide dietary choices that avoid aggravating these conditions. Adapting cooking practices to accommodate these considerations ensures that meals are not only nourishing and flavorful, but also tailored to support the health and safety of all diners. Alternatives and substitutions. In the quest for culinary excellence, safety should never be compromised for flavor. Fortunately, the kitchen is a place of endless creativity, offering a plethora of alternatives and substitutions that ensure dishes remain delicious without posing health risks. Here are some thoughtful substitutions for commonly used but potentially dangerous ingredients. Bell peppers for hot peppers. For those sensitive to capsaicin but still looking for a hint of zest, bell peppers offer a sweet and mild alternative. They can be paired with a pinch of smoked paprika to mimic the depth of hot peppers without the heat. Mace instead of nutmeg. Mace, the outer shell of the nutmeg seed, provides a similar warm, spicy flavor, but is often used in smaller quantities, reducing the risk associated with high nutmeg consumption. Ceylon cinnamon as a safer choice. To avoid the coumarin and cassia cinnamon, switch to Ceylon cinnamon, which has lower coumarin levels and is considered safer for regular consumption. Turmeric for saffron. While unique in flavor, turmeric can replace saffron in recipes, offering a brilliant color and a different but appealing taste profile, along with numerous health benefits. Pasteurized dairy products. For those recipes requiring dairy, choosing pasteurized milk, cheese, and cream can mitigate the risks associated with raw dairy products, ensuring safety without sacrificing taste. Embracing these alternatives allows for culinary exploration and innovation, ensuring meals are both safe and satisfying, and proving that conscientious cooking can still be rich in flavor and variety. We've reached the end of our culinary deep dive, where safety meets flavor in the kitchen. Thanks for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you're keen on keeping your meals delicious and safe, hit that like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty tips. Stay curious, cook with Lee, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!